Hello viewers, Fandov Azike is my name. Today I will be talking briefly on the subject title, The New Nigerian by Peter Obi. The essence of this subject title is to give us a holistic analysis and a direction towards the new Nigeria. According to Peter Obi, if he becomes the president of Nigeria, the new Nigerian will be that of master-servant relationship. That is to say, accountability will become the order of the day. The contract between the electorate and the people must be cordial, in the sense that the electorate can hold the elected personalities accountable for their stewardship. There will be room for questions and answer. In extension, the new Nigerian will be where constructive criticism will be the order of the day, because constructive criticism brings about improvement and efficiency. And when they begin to welcome effective and constructive criticism, it will enable individuals to put in their best. So he will welcome constructive criticism. However, when we talk of the new Nigeria, we are talking of that Nigeria whereby this new source of power is now information. It's not the money at the disposal of the few politicians. Rather, the information before you to assess the personalities, the individuals, the candidates that are contesting for every election. The information at this moment becomes the source of power. You deploy this information to make the best choice for Nigeria. Peter Obi has offered himself for the post of the president of Nigeria. Do not forget to follow this page and support my page with that. Share this vote and bye for the now.